Welcome to our trading diary, where we always start the day off with Dear Goat. So I just wanted to share why I got in, what do I see. So I got in on the 18th at like around 10:54 at night, and the reason I got in, I checked the daily, and sometimes we have to just continue to check those higher time frames. The most I'll go to is the daily, but I was at the 4 hour, and that's when I was seeing like, okay, it could possibly sell. Price made this new low. I could see sales, but buys wasn't just erased from my mind either. So as I scale to the daily, I'm looking at the daily. Price made this low. It came up, it made a little low right there, whatever, and then it made a new high. Price just came down just to correct to make another higher low. It didn't necessarily make a lower low. If it did, I would like to see it break this level, but it didn't. So price made a higher low, then a lower high, and then a higher low, and then it made a new high, which is also an indication. That's why I have this marked out, indication, and then price started correcting. It never broke any lower, and then it pushed up above this same level where I'm looking for buys at. So as I seen that strong momentum come up, I end up entering right there where my green line is. I entered right there, and it's literally been consolidating and been playing. I've been in drawdown. It's been fluctuating. I have my stop loss right here. And then I'm finally in profit after that. So that was definitely something. So being able to stay in drawdown, super important. Um, but yeah, I have my target here. This is my first target, and I have it right there because that's where the daily candle closed at. So that's an interesting area to me. And then this one's the 4 hour close. But if you look at it on the 1 hour, you will see that this is where the next sellers are sitting. So this would be a good place to possibly take profit, or this also might be an area where price will probably be most likely sell or correct somewhere. We don't know how far or anything, but yeah, that's why I got in. I had to take it back because you know that you trust the higher time frames. We trust the higher time frames. The 4 hour is really good. The 1 hour is good. But let me take one more step back and check the daily. Higher low, lower high, higher low, new high, indication, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we have that strong momentum buy all day. But yeah, I was in it since the 18th. And now we're just gonna see how it moves, how it goes, and if we're looking for another entry or anything like that, what I'm looking at is price breaking this level, and even this level. I can see, and I'm looking at it from the 4 hour, so I wouldn't, because the 1 hour just looks super choppy, super crazy. So I'll be looking for a price to do like this, and then just to come down and correct, and then I can enter at this level, or if price decides to come back a little bit lower right here to where I can enter at this level, that would be cool too. But I would feel better entering at this level. So I'll be looking for something like this. Another indication happening for a correction to get that second entry, or if y'all are looking to enter. But this is just a theory. May not be true, but I will be entering again right here possibly. But yeah, I hope everybody has had a great trading week. It's Friday. I hope y'all made y'all money. And let's get ready for next week. Let's, reset. We had this crazy weekday this week. We had this crazy week of literally nothing, whole bunch of nothing. And especially if you're a swing trader like me, then you know that we really didn't get to get to really be in the market for real. But we'll take this weekend to reset and just get back to it, and prepare ourselves for next week. Bye, y'all.